This is 3706 Fairfield Drive in Clermont, Florida. It is in Kings Ridge, a golf course community, 55 plus. There are over 2,000 residences in this community, and it's very active. Over 60 clubs, 3 swimming pools, 2 gyms. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 1997. It comes with all the furniture, and it's 1,800 square feet. It's really actually pretty beautiful. It has a view of the golf course in the back, and we'll take a walk around there in just a sec. Alrighty, the paint looks like it's in great condition. Need some minor touch-ups, but everything seems to look okay. And here's your view from the back. As you can see, there are some golfers out there, and it looks like you look right over this green here. It really is a nice view. And here is where the kitchen is, or the dining room, so you can have a great view of the back. And there's a big Florida room back here. The roof was replaced in 2014, so you still have quite a long time on that. It's usually about 20 years. And man, this is a really nice backyard. Okay, so here's the side, and I still don't see any issues with the paint. I don't see any cracking. I don't see any settling. I don't see anything like that. All right, let's go in. Okay, so real quick before we go in, you can see that the landscaping is really meticulously done. It even has some guards on the sprinklers so they don't go up to the house. Included in the HOA fees are lawn maintenance, irrigation, water and care of the system, trimming of the shrubs, mulching, cable TV, internet, home phone, and painting of your home every 6 years. So wow, no wonder there's no issues with the paint. Okay, so we go. 2-car garage, and it looks like it's got a screen that comes down, which is really awesome because when it's really nice down here, it's nice to have a screen there so you don't have any bugs get in and you can enjoy it. All right, let's go in. Very nice front door, and immediately you can look at the tile throughout, which is low maintenance and doesn't hold a lot of dust. Very clean grout lines. Everything in here looks very clean. Okay, here's your formal dining. You can see it's got a ledge up here, and the formal dining will overlook the front. Hold on. So here's your formal dining view. As you can see, that window lets in a lot of light. The house really does have a lot of light without a lot of lights on. Okay? We don't have any lights on in here, and it's just so open and light. Here's your view of your entrance, which is really nice. Okay, that's the door to the garage. All of the furniture in this property stays. I mean, and it's pretty nice. There's nothing, it looks like, at all wrong with the furniture. So with the sale comes the furniture. So you wouldn't really have to bring anything but yourself, which is really good, because I know that you've packed up almost everything. Now the television here is going to be replaced. They're going to take that TV, but they're going to replace it. It's what I've been told. So if we write the contract, we got to make sure that's included. So here's your Florida room, and I'll come right back out to that in a minute. And look back over here to your kitchen, right? So we have a lot of space. It's fairly large, big kitchen for a 1,700 square foot house. I mean, I've seen smaller kitchens in 3,000 square foot houses. So you have a nice little pantry there. You've got a lot of cabinet space. Your dishwasher, your stove, fridge. I mean, it's all here. Okay, as far as your Sink goes. I mean, it's a Corian solid surface countertop, so that's nice, better than Formica. And here's your eat-in kitchen. Lots of room for hutches, lots of room for storage. Very, very bright, great view. I mean, spectacular. I mean, this is really super nice. All right, let's go out to the Florida room. Okay, so your Florida room goes along the length of the master bedroom and the living room. So all the furniture stays. You have 2 fans out here and these huge windows that you can open up. I mean, 7-8 months out of the year it's super nice here, and you can just open up all the windows. It's a little hot in August and September, maybe even July, but after October all the way through May, it's just beautiful. Sometimes we get a break in the beginning of October, but usually it's the end of October. If you have kids down here, I mean, Halloween every other year is a sweat fest, but some years we get lucky and it's nice, but all the way through, May is just, gorgeous. Okay, and again, all the furniture is staying, so really, it's really nice looking. To be honest with you, usually furniture staying is, a detriment. You have to get it hauled out, but this really, the furniture looks untouched. Really, very well, very well kept, very well maintained, and there's a lot of it. Doesn't look like anything's missing, really. I mean, it even has a grandfather clock, and it's all matching. This stuff couldn't have been cheap. A little hutch there, desk. Works. Okay, so let's go on to the 2 bedrooms. Okay, so again, lots of light, lots and lots of light. Is carpet in here, and it doesn't look bad at all. Very minor. I can see a couple of spots, tiny spots that may be able to be cleaned. Okay, so it looks like here's your closet. If you open the door, it's going to go all the way out to here. Interior paint looks immaculate, to be honest. Again, furniture is in great shape, beautiful. Little antique cabinet here, looking antique painted cabinet. Super nice. Does close. All right. Really nice. Okay, there's no dents behind the door. There's not a lot of traffic on the floor. Okay, here's your linen closet. Right. And let's see, here's bathroom number 1. Okay, so a little issue here, a little bit. And to replace that's not really expensive at all. All right, the edges of your mirrors look pretty good. Hi, never met me, I'm Jarrett. Nice to see you. Okay, so, basic standard features here with the fixtures. Okay, I don't see any leakage here next to the shower or the tub. Or the toilet either. Okay, all the grout looks really, really nice. It doesn't even need to be regrouted. There's just absolutely no mildew at all here. I don't see any chipping. Okay, let's see here. All right, bedroom number 2. And again, the carpet is carpet, but it's pretty nice carpet. You can see here it's not even there's even a bed in here. So, this room, the sitting room, obviously, you could probably use this as an office. Extremely nice view. And again, we have nice furniture. They've even got a tape player in here. I'm sure we have tapes and CDs at our age. I'm 50, so I've got a ton of them. Nowadays, it's all MP3s, right? Again, the tile looks, the paint looks great. Not an issue. I don't see any evidence of any kind of leakage or anything from the from the windows here. I haven't seen anything on the ceiling at all. I mean, the fans are maybe a little bit dated. You could probably do better, but still look nice. All right, coming out. And across the way is going to be the master. So we'll go there and then we'll go to the laundry room, which I'm sure is right here between the here in the garage, or mud room, whatever you want to call it. But we don't usually call it mud room here. We usually call it a laundry room because we're not usually tracking mud in and throwing coats and boots around. Those were the days, but not anymore. We're going to leave those days behind, right? Right. So we have, again, furniture. It's very nice. The paint looks very nice. This is an amazing view from the master bedroom. Step right out onto the huge, this is a great space for entertaining. I mean, wow, how nice. Huge Florida room. I don't see any damages out there. Again, this bed frame could handle a larger bed. I mean, this looks like a twin, but you could easily probably move those tables out to either side, and this headboard would probably accommodate even a king size bed if you wanted. Okay, let's see it with the lights on and the window open, so it looks a lot better. Okay, a lot of room for a sitting area. Again, the TV will stay. Let's see here. All right, let's go in the bath. Okay, master bath. Grout is impeccable, not a speck of dirt in it. Same thing, dual vanity. Looks beautiful, nothing wrong. A makeup station. Okay, everything's here. A lot of times you have to see some delamination on the edges of the mirrors, which is not a big deal for me. I just picture frame them in, right? And just it's really simple to do, but you don't even need to do that here. Looks like original fixtures, but they don't look like they're in bad condition at all. And then you have a walk-in shower, which looks great. Wow, even the grout is just outstanding. Look at that big shower head. You have a nice little sitting area. I'd say this is perfect. Okay, and then you have a garden tub. Okay. That says hot, cold reversed, so you have to just get used to that. Okay, here's your water closet. It has a vintage phone in it, huh? How often do you see that anymore? Hardly ever, right? Well, excuse me. Okay, so it looks like your lights need to be replaced in here. No biggie, but it's a big walk-in closet. It should suffice. Has shelves up top. Lots of storage. You could put more storage in here. You could put more shelves in here. Get it professionally done. Make it look, just max it out. There's some services down here that do that for you. Okay, and that's pretty much it. I think this is an immaculate house with the furniture. I mean, I was thinking $349 is a little on the high side. If you look at some of the sales in here, the last two sales, they were bigger, around 2,000 square feet. Really only about 200 square feet larger. And that's a deduction of maybe on an appraiser. For an appraiser, that's a deduction of maybe $4,000. But this comes with all of the furniture, and the furniture is amazing. I thought it was going to be yucky furniture, but it really isn't yucky furniture. It's really nice furniture. So, I mean, I think $349 is a good price for this house. Although I would recommend offering a little bit lower, see if we can get it for $340 or $345. But I would do it quickly because I think the house will sell. I like the garage. Okay, I love when we have a window in the garage because it adds all kinds of light in here. And usually garages can be real stuffy, and I like that. I like these shelves up here that are pre-existing, and I like that fan. So I mean, the garage looks like to be a little oversized. So you didn't have to pull your car in all the way, and you still have all this, the garage, the shelving space in the back, which is already there. And you have some shelving space over here. It's really wide. A lot of times you're gonna see these garages like end like right here, and you're not gonna have all this extra space. I mean, an extra 3-4 feet in the garage, you know, goes a long way. I'm sure you would agree with that. Hot water heater looks original, but there's no rusting, and this thing's last 25 years probably. The AC is a really good brand. It's top of the line at Carrier. I will have to see how old it is. Now I've got some things here, some inspections. When you do pest inspections down here, they usually put the stickers right on either the hot water heater or the AC. But looking at the AC, I mean, it is in really good condition. There's no leaks on the bottom. A lot of times you're gonna see these things leak. You're gonna see this overflow sensor right here not working, and you get a lot of leaks, and you know, the AC unit will actually be tilted to the side. Looks like they've taken good care of it. These things need to be maintained down here once or twice a year because it's hot and we get algae blooms inside those lines, and it causes overflows when those float switches fail. But it looks like it's really been, you know, well maintained. So all in all, I'd say start off at 340, but I would definitely go higher. All right, I'm gonna send this off to you. Hopefully I'll hear from you. I'm gonna go to the next house, the 2-bedroom.